Today I'm going to show you how to access Kimike 2.6 and Minimax M2.7 in VS Code completely for free. No login required, no credit limits. If you are a developer without a budget to pay for these AI coding tools like Cursor, Codex, and Claude, this is definitely a game changer for you. Also, if you're a beginner learning how to code, you need to check this out. Let's get started. Open VS Code and click on the extension tab in the side panel. Over here, we need to install a coding agent called Blackbox, which will give us access to these models completely for free without signing up. So go ahead and search for Blackbox AI. Over here, you will see a couple of options here. Just look for the one with the AI coding agent, which is this one. Click on it, and as you can see, it has over 5 million downloads. Click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see a pop-up window asking you to upgrade or continue for free. Just click on continue for free since we want to use the free version. And that is all the basic setup you need. Now, at the bottom of the black box panel, you will see an AI model options. Just click on it and you will see Minimax M2.7 and Kimike 2.6 available for free. Also, you can upgrade to these pro models if you want. And here is the best part. You don't need an API key to set this up. Everything is completely free. And here is a quick tip for you. One thing to keep in mind, when you are building with AI coding tools, always provide much context as possible. The more context you give the AI, better output you'll get. This applies to whether you are using Kimike or Minimax, Claude, Codex, any coding tool you can think of. In my next video, I'm going to build a complete project using one of these models. Let me know in the comments what kind of projects you would like me to build with these models. Your suggestion will help me create content that is actually useful for you. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in my next one.